Mom today, and today we have the Peppa Pig craft. Dragon Chinese New Year craft. What you will need some markers. I got a whole entire box of markers. Then you need a glue stick or some glue. Then you'll probably need a little brush and a cup of water and a cup of orange paint. I didn't have orange paint, so what I did is I just mixed yellow and red. You will need a cardboard tube. You will need some googly eyes, 2 red pom-poms, and 2 pom-poms with little I don't know what these are, these little oh yeah, this right here, some scissors. You'll need some decoration to decorate a pencil. And what else do you need? You'll need some tissue paper. Dip it in here. And I have some paint on it. I'm just gonna draw on it like that, just. So after we left it dry a little bit, and now we have this right here. Okay, so now I have the glue gun right here. I'm gonna just let it sit on the table. Now I'm gonna glue you on top. Here. Glue that. And that is how you do it. Now I'm going to stick the other eyeball on to the other pom-pom and hope that there's some more. So now I'm going to glue the pom-poms onto this thing, onto the cardboard tube. Let a little bit get out. Take you on. Glue you over there. Bam! One eyeball done. And now I'm going to glue Mr. on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, that's good. There you go. And that is what we have. Now what you take some of these, like a piece of paper. I'm just going to use some cardboard paper thing. I don't know what it's actually called. And you gotta draw these. So you gotta draw this. Use the blue one, of course. Use a little, do a little whoosh new. Why not just do a little pattern, color it in. Okay, so here are my little decorations. So there is my first one, and over here is my second one. So these are my 2 decorations. I'm just going to set that aside. And over here, we're going to be decorating them. So I'm just going to take this little paw. You see this little paw right here? I'm going to glue this little paw. I'm just going to place one over here. Now, stop. Every day. Every day. Bam! So yeah, that's there. A small tiny star on it. It's not really tiny. And now I think that's all I'm going to put on it. So there is my second crown. So then, as I told you, you need to cut little, they could be big, but I don't know why, but I cut them small because I had a small piece of paper, small sheet of paper, so I couldn't really, so I'm just going to bend it like that. You see, I'm going to bend it like that. You see that? Now I'm going to do this. One second. I'm going to do this. It's going to lean to the, no, not to the left, to the right. wait a second, that's a little bit too low. Do like over there. Bam. This is gonna go like that. So now I'm gonna do this. Come on, get out, get out. You. And I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna do this. Hold it for 24 hours. Just wait. Yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. My name is. Hello. Now I'm just trying to get Mr. through this hole. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna place one of you. Come on. Get in. Set you down. Now I'm gonna glue you. 1, 2, 2, and oh, I'm almost like, yeah. Wait a second, I just need to get you through a little bit. Then I have a really big. Oh, that's a lot. That is just too much. That's like tuna. It's like tuna sandwiches. Come on, tuna sandwich. Okay, so I have decorated Pedra. I'm gonna just do a little turn. This is Pedra. Now I'm going to actually do the teeth of this guy. I'm just cutting out the teeth. This is gonna be one side. I'm just do that much. So here are my teeth. Oh. So now I'm going to glue the teeth on top of it. There you go. I'm just going to place you. See, now let's do a little tour. We're just going to take this golden plus. What? I can actually see through this plastic. No way. Flame number 1. I'm gonna do probably like 2. Oh, whoa. Plastic on it. 1 second, I'm gonna do this. Do. So first, I'm going to glue Mr. on top. Timbits are so yeah. Okay, so you take this, you do this. Color. Okay, so I have invented this right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you, I'm going to place you over like this. I'm actually going to glue it like this. I have no clue how, but I'm going to glue it like this. Come on, get up. There you go. And now you take this guy, you glue it on. Wait 24 hours and it will all be done. This is the final countdown. It's the final countdown. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and Happy Chinese New Year.